Day 6, NOLA Motorsports Park. I went to Bourbon Street last night, so Bilko is driving today.
This is probably the highest speeds we see all week. The fast cars are probably in the 160, 170 range. It's a fast freaking racetrack.
It's really hot here in...
Where are we?
Oh yeah, Louisiana. Oh, Bourbon Street was last night. You look like crap.
Wait till I draw.
As long as it's not like crap. Oh no, wall. Oh! There we go. Those cars aren't really made for this, but they go just as fast no matter where they're driving. The chocolate makers from Switzerland don't speak much English. Cops seem to love them. They're having a blast though.
It's time to go out there and go flat out on a track that is flat out. So I'm not setting expectations very high for today because we could finish a fair way down the order on straight line speed.
It's gonna be a really hard track though. NOLA is super fast. All of our competition has slightly faster cars on the top end, so he's got his work cut out for him today. Oh, coming in hot. Burn those tires off. Bilko had really good line first lap. Looks pretty good on time considering, I mean, the straightaways are so long here. So it looks like the brakes are holding up. At least he hadn't missed a corner yet. I'd imagine this one he's sliding that thing a lot. So we'll see what happens here. Hopefully the car holds up. Pat, you went,
uh-oh, this is gonna be close.
So
What are you seeing there, though?
I'm seeing that your math is wrong.
You got a 621.
I don't know what I got.
You got a 621. This is gonna be really close. Are you worried now? Are you worried?
I think their math's as good as Bilko's is. No, not on this one, but hey, good luck to you next run. Yeah, the lap, they're messing with me. I like it, but I like.
He's pulling your leg.
I'm like, wait,
Isn't half of racing mental?
more than half.
More than half. Okay, so
Yeah.
if I can get in your mind, I can mess with it.
It's 70% driving and 80% mental.
Okay, I like
Yeah,
that.
you got that. Okay, perfect. The blue guy, the lap, or who's the blue guy? Is that what you said?
Yeah, the blue guy.
The blue guy, yeah, the blue guy. His lap time, his first lap time was 2:14, yours was 2:09. His second was 2:09, yours was 2:05, and his third one was 2:10, and yours was 2:05. So you were within a tenth of a second this last two laps, and the first one would have probably been the same except for you started halfway down the
Oh
straightaway.
yeah, you should have seen. This is actually now a rallycross car. Oh, that would have been the rallycross.
Nothing occupies 3 hours of lunchtime than go-karts. The man, the myth, the legend, Tanner Foust. Amazing at everything he does. Stunt driver, rallycross champion. Bilko, surprisingly good in these things. And then, of course, one of the guys that runs this place. Yeah, I'll probably be 4th out of 4. Sweet. Go me. Let's just get in and send it, man.
Get in, sit down, shut up, and hang on.
everybody knows you don't go to a track, a go-kart track, and race the guys that work there. Like, isn't that? I think it's written.
Not only does he work here, he races here. He's a pro.
He's pretty good.
He acts like he's just pushing the carts in and out, but for sure he's taking.
I'm the guy that says
I just turn wrenches, man. That's all I do.
We're gonna build you up because you kicked our ass.
You flogged us pretty good.
Thank
All right,
you.
Bilko,
I gotta
you
go
gotta go win.
learn how to drive.
Go win.
I gotta remember the track.
Go there, man.
I'm gonna go catch a flight. You guys have a nice drive.
All right.
Thanks,
See you
Tanner.
later, guys. See you, buddy. See you, brother. Take it easy.
I really thought, because we got that chunk out in the first thing, but it must just hit something, because the tires are good. Remember, it's not the go-kart. Do not flog it into the first turn. You'll have exactly the same thing that happened to you on the go-kart.
Go-kart had no front brakes, dude.
Just remember,
Smooth. Flow. High in, low out. Feel the rhythm, feel the rhyme, get on up. It's Yokohama time.
let's do this.
Steering wheel's on that side.
And this guy, Aussies.
Alright, so here's the deal. We just got done day something, 6 out of 8. Had a solid session, 1 hour class.
It's hot here. Hopefully it's not as hot in Kentucky. We smell. Our suits smell. It's gonna be a great car ride. Good work. See you soon. On the road again. I just can't. I don't even know. Whatever. Go. See ya. Hey guys, thanks for joining us on our epic adventure. Till next time, check out more stuff from Nitro Circus. Here, probably over here.